Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Looks like it's going to be another great day today. It's raining, as you can see. Instead of using Fatwood, let's go down to this Eastern Red Cedar, get a dead branch off of it, and because that redwood is so resinous, it doesn't allow the center to get wet. We'll be able to process that center up in some fine shavings and ferro rod ignite it. And when the fire gets started, that resin will assist in drying everything out and making the fire burn. You don't think I'm going to be foolish enough to go underneath those limbs and start shaking that tree, do you? We'll see if there's anything that I can use on the ground. It's supposed to stop raining at 12 o'clock, so we'll see you back in about an hour. I'm going to put these on the fire table. Let's organize these branches and then see how much water we can shake out of them before we get started. Maybe beat it out of them, whatever it takes. And there's that resinous core that we're looking for. I'll try to split them in fourths, but if they won't cooperate, I'll just split them in half. Go ahead and make as many shavings and scrapings out of the redwood as possible, and ferro rod ignite it. I'm thinking that'll be plenty. All right, we'll ferro rod ignite that. Can you see it? Bayite keychain ferro rod. And I need to find a part of my spine. Oh, it's still sharp. And this is going to take a long time also. We might as well go back to time lapse. Especially since I hear some noise starting to happen. Let's go to time lapse. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Shouldn't have put them long ones on the bottom, should I? Here's all that wet bark. They can be drying out. Let's go back to time lapse. We'll catch you on the next one. Better cover the camera up a little bit. I'm gonna put this under the fire table because I do want those ashes. You can finish burning under here.